Hello and welcome back to LearnSBOM. Today I'm going to be reviewing the tool Distro2SBOM. Distro2SBOM generates a software bill of materials for either an installed application or a complete system installation in a number of formats including SPDX and CycloneDX. To start, you're going to need Python 3.7 or higher. To check that, you just type in Python 3-version, list your Python version. Once we have that, you're going to use pip to install Distro2SBOM with following the command. And here we'll say requirements already satisfied because I've already installed this. Next up, you're going to run the Distro2SBOM help command. It will show you everything you need. And for our example today, we're going to be using a file name.out. And it's going to contain the following contents. This is an example file for Debian's distributions. So we're going to be running this with the Debian command. So we're going to run Distro2SBOM and type in deb as our first command. Then we're going to give this a name. We call it like test machine. The name part doesn't really matter. The release identity of the distribution, that also doesn't really matter. We're going to give it an input file. This matters because you're going to type in file name.out. And we're going to specify the format that we want. We can say CycloneDX. And then the output file, we can just give it any name like SBOM. And let's generate. And now you can see it generated the SBOM file. And we go check it out. And it will generate SBOM. That's it for this tool.
Thank you for checking out this video. If you really liked it, be sure to check out our other videos right here, and then you can also subscribe right up top here. And again, thank you. Bye-bye.